Hi, I'm Andrea Lillienfeld with the Cape Grant Group, part of my home group real estate out of Scottsdale, Arizona. And today, Julie and I are back at the remodel home we've been showing you here in Village Grove. So Julie, do you want to tell us a little bit about what the biggest changes have been?
They've made a lot of progress. I'm really impressed. They're telling us it'll be ready in a couple of weeks, but I don't know about that. We'll have to wait and see. The biggest changes I saw when I walked in here this morning, Andrea, are this beam up here, which is, they took out all of the, remember all the 2x4s that were here last time we were here? They've taken all of those out, and Andrea will walk us around a little bit and she'll show us these things in just a second, but this beam is gorgeous. And then back behind us, you see that they've started laying flooring, and it's stunning.
So come with us, we're going to show you these couple of things and continue to keep you updated every week.